SAT question number 12. Let's understand the question first. X minus 3 is 1 less than y plus 3. Now there can be different ways to express this equation. It says x minus 3 is 1 less than y plus 3. So that means if I add 1 to it, because it is 1 less, it will become y plus 3. This is one way to say it. Let's solve it. Minus 3 plus 1 is x minus 2 is equal to y plus 3. So adding 2 on both sides, x is equal to plus 3 plus 2, or x is equal to y plus 5. Let's say it by another way. X minus 3 is 1 less than y plus 3. That means difference of y plus 3 and x minus 3 is 1, and x minus 3 is smaller. So I can say y plus 3 and x minus 3 have a difference of 1. Now let's solve it. Y plus 3, applying distributing property, negative sign will be multiplied with the sign of both the numbers. So minus plus minus x, negative and negative positive, plus 3 is equal to 1. Now let's solve the like terms. 3 plus 3 is 6. Y plus 6 minus x is equal to 1. Adding 1 on both, x on both sides. So that will be 1 plus x. Now subtracting 1 on both sides. Y is equal to y plus 6 minus 1. So x is equal to y plus 5. Now if you do it by this way or you do it by this way, both ways we are reaching at the same result. So that means our final result which we have to solve is x is equal to y plus 5. Now let's see. Then x plus 2 exceeds y by what amount? Now I need x plus 2. And what I have x. So I can make it x plus 2. How? By adding 2 on both sides. If we are adding 2 on one side, so we have to add it to the other side too. So x plus 2 is equal to y plus 7. So if x minus 3 is 1 less than y plus 3, this first statement is helping me to derive a relation between x and y, and then x plus 2 exceeds y by what amount? This is our question. So x plus 2 exceeds 7. Exceeds y by 7. That is our answer. So D option is the correct answer.